What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable save original screenshots in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down and click on screenshots and screen recordings. Now in screenshots and screen recordings, here you will see a save original screenshots button. So if you want to enable save original screenshots, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable save original screenshots, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable save original screenshots in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.